It's good, people. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you my evening routine after I come from work. So the first thing that I do, guys, when I reach at my place is just switching on the light. Then I just throw my bag. Then I make a cup of tea, man. Wow, this process of making tea, guys, it's amazing. So after I make my cup of tea, I just sit down, take my cup of tea while going through the internet, seeing what people posted during the day. Yeah, this is quite interesting. So after doing this, guys, here comes my favorite part of the evening. I just start playing games, guys. I love playing games, and my favorite game is Need for Speed, guys. I wish they will release another one this year, guys, because this game is amazing. I spent almost like 3 to 4 hours just playing this game. It's quite amazing, guys. Yeah, and if you're enjoying this video and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that bell icon so that you can get notifications when I post another video, and tell me down in the comment section, guys, any type of video that you want to see from me, guys, and you know I'm going to make it come true, guys. So when it comes to Need for Speed, guys, the Nissan GTR, the R35, it's my favorite car, guys. So you will find me driving this car a lot, guys.
Back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless.
Here comes the serious bit of my evening, guys. I've made it a habit that I have to learn a new skill in Premiere Pro to improve my editing skills.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
So guys, I've finished editing the video, but I've noticed I have no outro, and this is my outro, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and tell me down in the comment section if you love to learn how to edit using Premiere Pro. I'm going to make these videos. Yeah, and as always what as always, remember to be yourself, and I will see you in the next one.